Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use the overdub option in Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download the official Descript application right here and log into your account. After installing the application guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of your projects that you have. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see all of the menu options that you can access right here in the application. And here in the upper right corner, you can go ahead and create a new project if you want. So as you can see, go ahead and click on new project. I have already created a project. I'm going to be using that project right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the project right here, guys. I have been using the clip from a famous TV show, Breaking Bad, right here. As you can see, it can automatically transcribe the text that it can hear in the video. So guys, now let's say that we want to use the overdub option for some of the text. I will be showing you right now how to do it, and it's very easy. The first thing you have to do guys is go ahead and select the text that you want to overdub. So I'm going to go ahead and select this last line of text right here. After clicking on that guys, now there will appear a menu bar above the text where you have multiple options and one of them will be overdub. So guys, you can see we can now go ahead and select overdub right here. And as you can see, now it will ask of us to do a couple of more things, such as we need to assign who the speaker is, and as you can see, we even have to assign a voice. As you can see, assign an overdub voice to the speaker. Now, I'm not going to go into details. You can go ahead and assign a voice, and then you can go ahead and play around with it until you find the perfect settings that you want to use for the overdub option. But basically, that's how you do it. You can just go ahead and use this option and then enable the settings that you want. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.